is the Speaker's hometown, the fastest growing city and province in the region. And today's occasion made even more auspicious, falling on the month the first BPSF Roadshow kicked off close to a year ago. Hence today's giveaways in cash, government services, and livelihood and training programs were far and away above all else it preceded. Armela Las Moras has more numbers in this report.
Carrying his documentary requirements, informal motorcycle taxi rider Luis Banenas arrived early at the Leyte Grandstand in Tacloban City today to participate in the Bagong Pilipinas Servisyo Fair, Eastern Visayas. He said any form of assistance is a big help to his family, so it's a good thing the BPSF caravan went here again.
Bibili po namin ng bigas, mga pagkain, para makatulong sa pang-araw-araw na pagkain namin. Salamat po, Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Maraming salamat po sa tulong na binigay mo sa amin.
Annalyn and her mother are also very grateful that the government has this kind of program where everything they need is provided all in one place.
Paglalaanan po namin pagkain, paggastos sa mga anak namin nag-aaral, yung po pang-araw-araw.
House Speaker Martin Romualdez led the launching of the mega Bagong Pilipinas Servisyo Fair today along with around 240 congressmen and other local and national government officials. This is the first time the BPSF caravan reached region-wide status as part of the Servisyo Fair's first anniversary this month. According to Speaker Romualdez, with the numerous assistance, services, and programs offered here, there is no doubt this is the biggest BPSF caravan launch in the country so far.
Ito, mga kasama ko dito sa Kongreso, sila po, kami po ang gumagawa ng legislasyon o budget. Yung nakarang Lunes, nakatanggap lang natin yung bagong Net Expenditure Program. Ito po yung nakarang budget ng ating mahal na Pangulo para sa taon 2025. Kaya po nandito po kami. Gusto po rin nakita kung maganda po itong programa na to. At ano kaya? Maganda pa itong Servisyo Fair? Gusto ba natin ituloy?
Overall, the total amount of aid, services, and programs handed out thus far and up to tomorrow stands at 1.26 billion pesos, benefiting around 253,000 recipients in the region. Aside from the BPSF, the Startup Incentive Business Opportunity and Livelihood or CBOL program was also launched in Eastern Visayas, as well as the Cash Assistance and Rice Distribution or CARD program, and the Integrated Scholarship and Incentives for the Youth or ESIP program. In an interview with PTV, Speaker Romualdez said he considers today's launch of the mega BPSF caravan a success.
Unprecedented, napakasaya ang mga beneficiaries at napakasaya din ang mga congressmen, mga governors at mayors. Kaya itong mga programa ng Bagong Pilipinas Servisyo Fair, itong ESIP, itong CARD, itong CBOL, ay talagang nare-resonate na ito talagang gusto ng mga pambayan.
The BPSF Caravan Eastern Visayas will be on until tomorrow, August 3. Armela Las Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.